We are a family business operated in Czech Republic, Prague. We have about 20 engineers, most of them with education from famous international universities. And now we are working, most of them came back to Prague, developing these advanced technologies for simulation that are used all over the world. The motto of our company is test your structure before you build it. We are developing software tools that allow engineers to simulate the structural behavior in all aspects of service life, as well as in the extreme and ultimate loading scenarios. This technology we are extending now to 3D printing of concrete.
3D printing of concrete structures offers tremendous possibilities for nonlinear simulation. This is the reason why we are developing our new product, ATENA 3D Print. It will enable engineers to simulate the behavior of 3D printed structures, not only in their final shape and during the service life, but also during the construction and manufacturing. We want to end up with a nice, beautiful structure rather than just a pile of fresh concrete. This is the reason why we are changing our motto to a new form: test your structure before you print it.